In this video, I'm going to show you how to add attachments in Gmail using Chrome step by step so you can quickly send documents, photos, videos, PDFs, or zip files without any confusion. If you've ever wondered where the attachment button is or how to make sure your file uploads properly before you hit send, this guide will walk you through everything. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is the browser we'll use to access Gmail, so make sure you're signed into the Google account that you want to use. Once Chrome is open, go to Gmail. You can type gmail.com into the address bar and press enter. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your Google email address and password. After that, Gmail will load your inbox. Now that you're inside Gmail, the next step is to start a new email. Look toward the top left side of the screen and click the Compose button. When you do that, a new email window will open, usually on the bottom right side of the screen. This is where you'll write your message and add your file attachment. To attach a file, look at the bottom of the email window. You should see a paperclip icon. That paperclip is the attachment button in Gmail. Click it once, and Gmail will open a file browser window from your computer. This window lets you browse through your folders and choose the file you want to send. At this point, select the file you want to attach. Gmail supports a wide range of file types, including documents, photos, videos, PDFs, and zip files. Just find the file on your computer, click it to highlight it, and then click Open. As soon as you do that, Gmail will begin uploading the file into your email. Now this part is important. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the file appear at the bottom of the email message, and depending on the file size and your internet speed, it may take a few moments. Don't send the email too early. Make sure the upload completes first, so your recipient gets the full attachment without any problems. Once the file is attached, you can finish your email, enter the recipient's email address in the to field, add a subject line, and type your message in the body of the email. If you want, you can also attach multiple files by clicking the paperclip again and repeating the same process. That's a great option if you need to send more than one document or image at the same time. When everything is ready, click Send. Gmail will send the email along with your attachment included. If the file is large, it may take a little longer to upload and send, so just give it a moment. After that, your email should be on its way, and that's it. You now know how to add attachments in Gmail using Chrome. It's a quick and easy process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when sending files to friends, co-workers, clients, or teachers. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.